Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. My name's Andy, channel's Finding Value. Oh, you know what? You should sign up to the website. You should. Platinum membership. It'll get you all this information on what I think are the best companies. I'm going to tell you which companies we went into and where on the channel. And this isn't no surprise. Everyone who's been in the question and answer sessions have been quite clear on the ones that I really like and where I like them. So I'll let you guys know where those are. And I've got videos of all those. I have videos of all the question and answer sessions all uploaded on the website as well. So you didn't miss anything, even if you sign up, because you can watch all of them. They've been 2-3 hours in length, so a lot of information there. And you can see exactly what I talked about in the companies that I was talking about. So I'll give you my financial opinion. We'll dive in here. Let's go. We've got light crude oil futures. We've broken the pattern to the upside. We had a little bit of a return move today. We'll see if this is a reversal candlestick today. It is slowing that momentum down, and it's leaving the door open for the buyers to push it higher. It's looking quite good. And the way that the people are positioning in the explorers and energy service companies makes me think that we're probably going to go higher. That's my take on it. Natural gas, I know some people are getting a little bit afraid. Oh no, it's going to come back. It's coming back, guys. Just relax. Relax. This is going far higher in my opinion. We may relax a little bit down. But guess what? We've broken out of the pattern, and we've broken out of the monster pattern. This is the monster pattern. This will go higher over time. Now, does it mean that we'll go up straight all the way to infinity? No, we're going to have some pullbacks. This has been gone pretty vertical. We're going to pull back a little bit, do a little consolidation, maybe put in a, maybe we'll throw in a little, pennant formation or something like that. Or maybe this will come down and be a big pennant. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And I'll even leave that up there. I'm just guessing. I don't have any crystal ball. I'm just throwing up a pattern, just guessing. But I do think that this is going to remain resilient. And I think next winter, especially, or I should say even summer, next summer, if the renewables aren't performing, we're going to be burning through natural gas. XOP, yeah, you know me, up today. So we had a down day in natural gas, medium day in crude oil, and we're up in the XOP. This is on top of a pattern. Looks fantastic. SM Energy, it's poised. It's a cheetah resting. This thing is ready to rip. So when crude oil comes, I expect this thing to rip it. And some of these companies are starting to rip it. CDEV, this one's looking good as well. This is one that, if you were to check on the website, you could see that I own it. We've got Crew Energy, CWEGF, another one that I liked down in this area down here. That was one that I was talking about on the website and gaining everybody lots of exposure to. That's done pretty well. We've got CPE, another one that I do like, looking good for Callon Petroleum. Athabasca Oil, one I was making comments right here. We're like, load up. It's one of my favorite ones down here for various reasons. I'll tell you that. Crescent Point Energy looking good and moving higher, being strong like it is. Northern Oil and Gas putting in a pattern. Looks like it wants to break out of this pattern. Looking good. GTE. Yeah, you know me. Yeah. Oh, really? How did you know this pattern was going to break? I didn't know it was going to break, but I thought, oil's pretty strong. We're starting to put on the pressure, guys. If you're a long-term holder in Grand Tier Energy, this is one of the companies that I did a special on and said I was entering it. That was at 34 cents. And we're starting to get paid now. I know some people, how come it's not going anywhere? When it was basing this all out, I said, just be patient. Let it make you money. And here we are making money. It'll pay off. Don't worry. We're breaking through all these big resistance patterns. We're getting through it. And what you need to learn is just patience. Learn patience. Tellurian, another one that's just been moving sideways. It looks fine. Podevgo up a little bit. Kind of consolidating there. We've got Oasis moving sideways, trying to break out of its little pattern there. CRK, Comstock moving on up again today, even though when natural gas is down. Sandridge being a killer that it is, man, it is killing it. Ring Energy, another one that's looking really good, breaking out. We've got Surge Energy surging to the upside, looking good. These are other ones that I talked about on the website a while back. Tamarack Valley Energy looking good right here. We've got Crescent Energy moving higher. Vermilion, this is one that somebody wanted me to look. It's breaking out of its pattern to the upside, looking good. Meg Energy looks like it wants to be a cheetah in the making. Breaking out of its pattern as well. The energy service companies, looks like we had a little bit of a down day today. Again, we're getting a little bit of a retest move. This is bullish in my opinion. We've got Tetra Technologies doing the return move. Bullish in my opinion. Transocean getting a little bit of a pullback within its pattern. Bullish in my opinion. Getting pumped up. That one's been moving higher. We've got EXTN. This guy's been moving higher, very small. We've got Valaris just moving sideways. That looks good. MRM getting a little bit of selling pressure here. We'll see if the buyers can step in and stop this little seller, we'll call it seller orgy going on today. Tidewater moving sideways, still looks good. We're still in this nice, good uptrend. Next year, Oilfield Solutions been on an absolute rip the entire time, looking good. KLX Energy, another one that looks good to move on higher. We've got CHX. This guy just keeps bouncing all over the place above this resistance line. The sellers like to sell up there. Cactus Energy moving higher. We've got 9 energy services moving sideways. Still looks fine. Just consolidating. OII doing a retest move. Again, I like it. Noble Energy moving sideways. We're just consolidating, guys. We're consolidating these gains. Nothing to really worry about. Helix Energy Solutions moving sideways, doing a little retest move of its breakout. CGG, what? That one's down in no man's land. It's got the nice good volume and everything. But that looks really good too. We've got Petrofac been on a tear, breaking out of its pattern. Petrofac is not petrified. It's moving. McCoy Global getting the bloody nose. I can tell just because it had a big day and a little small day, down day today. Getting the bloody nose, and we've got what is a bloody chest on Diamond Offshore. Still looking good though. Still looking good. And then the Thungela. I'm gonna take a big picture view, guys. Does that look bullish to you? It sure does to me. There's Thungela. We got Whitehaven. Whitehaven is looking like a beast. That thing looks good. NRP. Yeah, you know me. That's NRP looking good. Arc Coal just going vertical on all these. So coal's been going vertical, guys. I mean, BTU's been going vertical. Just absolutely crazy stuff going on there. So oil's looking fantastic. Natural gas is looking fine. I wouldn't be afraid, guys. I know a lot of people get afraid. Oh my God, things are coming down. Just be patient, guys. It'll be okay. Inventories are low. Summer's coming. We're going to eat through this stuff. And we've shown in the past that we've got problems. We're running deficits. Inventories are getting eaten up. We're seeing that in the inventory numbers. And we just have to remain steady and hold. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you guys want more help with selecting stuff, sign up. Platinum membership to the website. Why would I sign up to the Platinum membership? What am I going to get? What am I going to get, Andy? Why should I sign up? Well, you're going to get exactly what I think. That's what you're going to get. You're going to get what I think are the most leveraged plays at the best opportune times. It's that simple. You buy it, you hold on, and then you let it rip. You let it rip. And we've done pretty well. It's not going to always go this well. I'll just tell you that. And these opportunities don't last forever. There's not always an opportunity in the market. Some of these things, when they happen, they'll only happen for a short period of time. And it's exponentially worth something to buy at as close as you can to the bottom of companies. Because when you go and they go up, there's a huge difference between buying it at $1.50 and $2. Your multiples. And you could be many multi-baggers away from the person who's purchased 50 cents lower than the other one. So I'm just saying that the taking a little bit of not necessarily a risk, but knowing where to buy as low as you possibly can makes big differences. Chasing prices drastically reduces your returns. Drastically. Buying off of chart patterns, buying off of volume, buying off of someone who's done this before, finding value. Yeah, it'll help you out, and you'll get multiples and returns better. So that's what I think. If you guys like the content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel definitely, and we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.